For this Footwork Friday, I'll be teaching a simple salsa move that I love to do on my skates. We start off with feet parallel, knees bent, and we're going to have the left foot cross over the right and the right will step out. From here, the left will do a tap in place. Then the right will cross over, left steps out, and right will tap in place. The hardest part of the move is the crossover. I speak a lot about safely crossing your feet in my strutting video if you want more tips. But basically, we're going to be angling our feet to safely cross over and not stumble. If you have trouble shifting your weight between the legs, I also recommend watching the strutting video because I go more in depth about it there. The tapping should be easy. It's a 1, 2, 3 step, with the 3 being the long crossover. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's inspired by salsa, but by no means can you only do the move to salsa music. Have fun with it and let loose when you have the steps memorized. That's it for today's Footwork Friday. Be sure to subscribe and tune in every Friday for a new video. See you in the next one.